Are you a Red Sox fan? This will blow your mind. Welcome to CAMFive EMB. My name is Caroline, and in today's video we're going to make embroidery appliques, but this time with a twist. We're going to embroider the front of a button-down jersey and also share with you some tips for complex projects. How can I make the perfect embroidery applique? To answer this question, you just need to go step by step in this process. As always, I'm starting the project by opening Wacom. Prior to this step, you should have already prepared the reference image. In my case, I'll get some inspiration from the iconic Red Sox baseball jersey. This time, we'll start drawing a run stitch right in the middle of the black outline letter. Not outside, not in the inner edge, but in the middle of the outline. Why do we have to draw the run stitch on that position? It's because we're guiding us in the fabric placement. Also, this same line is the cut reference for the laser cut we'll use later. Type intro on your keyboard. Once you have a run stitch like this, we're going to copy and paste the shape we just drew. Select one layer, then right click, convert, and convert to input C. Intro. Now, this same letter. With these new properties, copy paste once again. In this copy, we'll change the stitch to a zigzag stitch. It should look like this at the moment, but we want it less width. So click on Object Properties and change the width to 2 mm. Now we have 3 layers and must be ordered from the bottom layer to the top layer as follows. Run stitch. This is our guide to glue our fabric applique to the jersey. Zigzag stitch. This stitch is the one that holds the fabric. Input C. This is the top layer that will cover the zigzag stitch for a smooth finish. The remaining step is to repeat the same process for the other layers and arrange them in the order we just mentioned. And remember to fix the thread jumps in the right order. So start from one side of the 3 layers and then the other side with all 3 layers. As an additional step, I recommend you to create your laser vectors from the Wacom vectors so they can perfectly match with the embroidery. Copy paste once again. I'll move the shape so you can see the difference. Let's change the design mode. Click on Convert. With this option, your shape will automatically become a vector. Select File and export into a DXF file. Let's move on to the embroidery machine. Since our jersey is open from the front, we're not using a regular frame. The frame we select for today's project is the 40 by 17 inches hoop. Make some tests to check that the embroidery is done in place. Place the stabilizer and on the top of the unbuttoned jersey. On the touch panel, select your design, the frame, the thread colors, stitch speed, and press Start Embroidery. First, the run stitch will be done as our guide. Then stop the embroidery and glue the fabric appliques aligned to the run stitch and leave it until it is finished. Repeat the same process for both sides of the baseball jersey. This is the final product. What do you think? We're amazed by the quality of this embroidery applique. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more content like this.